एंड माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, मैं ही आज आपके साथ एक मैथमेटिक्स क्विज शेयर करना चाह रही हूँ। माई सेल्फ तरु मित्तल, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, SSD गर्ल्स कॉलेज, Bhatinda. Now we are going to start our quiz with my first question. First question is, what is the trace of the matrix shown on your screen? Option 1, 18. Option 2, 11. Option 3, 9. Option D, 8. And you have 10 seconds for this question. Answer of this question is option D, that is 8. Now the next question is, the derivative of an even function is option A, an odd function, option B, an even function, option C, doesn't exist, option D, a constant function. For this question is option A, that is an odd function. Now find the value of sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. And choice for these question is option A, pi by 2, option B, minus pi by 2, option C, pi, and option D, none of these. And for your 10 seconds, I count now. Question is option A, that is pi by 2. If capital A is equal to tan inverse x, then find the value of sine 2a. Option A, 2x by 1 minus x square. Option B, x by 1 minus x square. Option C, 2x by 1 plus x square. Option D, none of these. This question is option C, that is 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now the ready for next question is a value of root iota plus root minus iota is option A 0, option B under root 2, option C iota, option D minus iota. This question is option B, that is root 2. Now derivative of x raised to the power 6 with respect to x raised to the power 3 is option A 6x cube, option B 3x square, option C 2x cube, option D x cube. And your time starts now. For this question is option C, that is 2x cubed. If y is equal to cos root x, then dy by dx is equal to option A sine root x, option B minus sine root x by root x, option C minus sine root x by 2 root x, option D minus cos root x by root x. So this question is option C, that is minus sine root x by 2 root x. Now the next question is A is a 3 by 3 matrix and determinant of 3A is equal to K multiplied by determinant of A, then what will be the value of K? Option A 9, option B 6, option C 1, option D 27, and you have 10 seconds to solve this question. And answer option D, that is 27. The number of integer solution of 15x modulo 24 modulo 35, then modulo is equal to option A 0, option B 1, option C 2, option D 4. Is option A, that is 0. The term containing x cube in the expansion of x minus 2y whole raised to the power 7 is option A third, option B second, option C fourth, option D fifth. Option is option D, that is fifth. There are 10 true-false questions and number of ways in which they can be answered is option A 2 raised to the power 10, option B 10, option C 20, and option D 10 square. Question is option A 2 raised to the power 10. The order and the degree of the differential equation shown on the screen is option A 2, 2, option B 3, 2, option C 2, 3, option D 1, 3. Question is option A pair 2, 2. Now the next question, integrating factor of the differential equation shown here is option A e raised to the power 10x, option B e raised to the power 10 inverse x, option C e raised to the power minus 10x, and option D 10x. Option is option B, that is e raised to the power 10 inverse x. The equation x plus 4 modulus is equal to x has solution number 1, option A, x is equal to 2, option B, x is equal to minus 2, option C, x is equal to minus 4, option D, x is equal to 4. And answer option B, that is minus 2. If x is equal to t square and y is equal to 2t, then d2y by d square is equal to, all options are shown on your screen. This question is B, that is minus 1 by 2t cube. The function fx is equal to 2 raised to the power 1 by x is not continuous at option A 0, option B 1, option C minus 1 and option D any point. Question is option A, that is 0. Question is the function fx is equal to modulus x plus 2 is not differentiable at, all the choices are shown on your screen. Is B, that is minus 2. If A is a square matrix such that A square is equal to A, then determinant of A is equal to, choices are there on your screen. Option A 0 or 1. Derivative of secant inverse x plus cosecant inverse x is equal to option A minus 1, option B 0, option C 1, option D 2. Option is option B, that is 0. Question for 10 seconds. You have 10 seconds to solve this. Question is option B. It is already on your screen. This question is option A, discontinuous of first kind. Which of the following is correct? Number 1, that is option A, determinant is a square matrix. Option B, determinant is a number associated to a matrix. Option C, determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Option 4, none of these. Question is option C, that is determinant is a number associated to a square matrix. Rank of the given matrix is equal to, all options are there. Is option B, that is 3. Question number 24 is on your screen. Is option B, that is log of log x. Question 25th on your screen. This question is option D, that is 2. The next question, question number 26, find the value of cos 53 into cos 37 minus sin 53 into sin 37, and all options are there. This question is option C, that is 0. If A and B are given two matrices, then AB is equal to BA. Option B, AB is not equal to BA. Option C, AB is less than BA. Option D, AB is greater than BA. For this question is option B, that is AB is not equal to BA. Question number 28 is on your screen. Answer for this question is option C, that is A is equal to B. The number of proper subsets of the set containing three elements x, y, z. Option A 6, option B 7, option C 8, option D 2. This question is option B, that is 7. In Pascal triangle, each row is bounded by option A 1, option B 2, option C -1, option D -2. Question is option A, that is 1. Question is on your screen. Question is option B, that is A is a zero matrix. If the altitude of a triangle are in AP, then the sides of the triangle are in option A AP, option B GP, option C HP, option D none of these. And option C, that is HP. Question is on your screen. Question is option D, that is continuous but not differentiable at the origin. Next question for the limits and find the value of P. Option A 6, option B 9, option C 12 and option D 4. This question is option C, that is 12. And next question is on your screen. This question is related to a set with the intersection of the set. Mind it. Is option C, that is 6n, that is the all the multiples of natural number, which is the multiple of 6. Now the next question is, if the roots of the equation x cube minus 12x square plus 39x minus 28 is equal to 0 are in AP, then their common difference is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D plus minus 3. For this question is option D, that is plus minus 3. And the next question related to matrices are on your screen. This question is option D, that is AB is equal to BA is equal to identity matrix. And the next question, this question is option B, that is the closed interval from 0 to pi. Question is option D, that is n into n plus 1 whole by root 2. Now it completes my quiz on the mathematics. I think all students try this at their own level. I will try to make this kind of efforts in future also for the sake of my students.